It is cold. What is going on, Toads? Justin with AdJustin and Fishing. Back with another video. Thank you guys for joining me and checking out another one. If you're new to the channel, guys, hit the subscribe button. We drop videos every Saturday. This video, this is actually the part 2 of the after lunch of the day I caught the 5-pound bass. If you've already been watching, you know about the last video. If you're new, I'll catch you up. I'm at my favorite lake, Live Oak Creek. I caught a 5-pounder there, but that day has been a total struggle. And I've just lost my spinnerbait.
He's spinning in the trolling motor right now.
So yeah, pretty much after I lost that spinnerbait, for me, the day was done. While putting my rods up, I found a spinnerbait and it changed the rest of the day. Won't do too much talking, it's pretty cold out here. I'll get right to the video. That's where we'll pick up. It's right after lunch. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Thank y'all for watching. Let's get adjusted.
Got something. Two casts in there.
That's what we need to be throwing.
Just barely made the cut, guy.
Oh, he's a good size.
He's good. Oh God. All right, back after a little lunch break. Found another spinner. This one's actually bluegill color. Hopefully I don't lose this one in the trolling motor. Throw out by the docks for a little bit. Got this one hooked up on the Daiwa rod. I mean on the Daiwa reel. I guess Daiwa rod too, but the new Daiwa Tatula. Got something. Or I'm hooked up. I don't want to say I got him because I don't got him. Don't shake it. All right, we're gonna fish the spinnerbait, guys.
Okay. Might have to go get that one from the car.
I do got one in the door.
Yeah. He looks a little bit fatter than the other one.
I wonder if he's 14 though.
So the afternoon is starting to pick up.
He's 15. Just barely enough.
You're not going to the backyard pond, buddy, but he's a fat one.
Here. Get him back. Thanks for playing.
All right.
Alright, baby. Back on him.
Back on him, hopefully. Spinnerbait. 3/8 ounce. Number 2. Oh, stay down, stay down, stay down. Okay.
Oh, he's fighting.
Oh, he's got grass. Oh.
Okay.
Wow.
Get all this out of it.
That's what we need to be throwing.
Spinnerbait. Top of the mouth. That one's 14 because it's smaller than the. I'm gonna go ahead and put him in the. Okay. Two times, same spot. Yeah, you might want to get it out the car. Or put an underspin back on. Spinnerbait is basically this flashy swimmer, but the flash is above it and not below it. And if you want to cast with the wind, come over here and I'll go right there and cast across. Don't jump. Don't jump. Okay, what? Yeah. Dip them all. See how big he is. You want to pull that thing out for me?
Uh, 15 at this point.
15?
Yeah.
Well, just barely made the cut, guy.
Alright, I'm gonna go get whatever you got on.
Spinnerbait. When you're ready to get back in the boat, let me know. The Tatula ends up being lucky. Threw a spinnerbait on it, cut off the tail. Cut off a little bit of the head, still focusing on those grass lines, working it. Kind of cast it out here in the open a little bit because there's grass all over. So I just cast it out and let it drop when I was casting out there. But over here, pretty much cast towards the grass, let it fall right on the shelf of the grass and just let it coast its way down. And that's been working out. That's 3 fish, 1 in the live well. We'll get him some. Yeah, I'm starting to think they might just be anywhere where the grass is just at the bottom. And they're just chilling, waiting for something to pass over the top.
Yeah.
So now I'm just kind of fan casting more than just the bank. I'm casting to the bank and pulling out, but I'm not just speed reeling when it's by me. Because I think they could be in the grass. And when you're reeling, you can pop it a couple times too. And it'll make that skirt flare up. And if something was chasing it, they'll just wind up running right into the back of it. Good thing is, where it's grass up higher, you could just reel faster and it still cuts through the grass. And then when it's lower, you can like let it sink. So. Oh, he's dark. Come on down. Come on over here.
He's big.
He's good. Oh God. Okay. Oh yes, sir. The spinner bait has turned the day around.
I'm gonna get one of my phones.
There we go. It's just anchored down over here. Make sure we stay put. So, using the spinner bait, still wanted something with a little paddle tail kick. There's brush piles right here. He came right out of the brush pile, y'all. Like I hit the branch and he came out of that. We got the rock, the cliffs, the brush piles, some grass lines, all kinds of stuff, y'all. We're gonna stay here for a little bit. Stephanie's tying on a spinner bait herself. We're gonna see if we can get some more. Oh, don't step on the spinner bait. Don't ruin it, Justin. All right, y'all. Thanks for playing. Spinner bait has taken over for today. Yeah, I'm just throwing in that brush pile, letting it sink till I feel bottom or a tree or something, and just rolling it off that tree.
Can I take this off of here?
Yeah. He's clearly just been sitting in the brush pile and leaves over the top of him. He was a darker.
Oh, that was a good.
You got the swimmer tied on?
Yeah, I just switched colors though.
Come on, it ought to be another pickup here on the swimmer.
What are you throwing? I feel like I should be throwing like a crankbait or something.
See all your bubbles?
Yeah.
I feel like a shell. I have to roll right over there and expect something.
Oh!
Just stay leaned back. Just stay leaned back with him. Don't do the bouncing.
Oh. Come off, don't come off. Oh, oh, no. Oh.
Yes, we can end on a good note with that. Oh no, he might be a little.
Oh no, he's a decent size.
He might.
Oh, he's a good size.
That's the way to end it on a good note. What'd you get that one on?
I changed it to the blue and got bit like right away. All right, thanks, dude.
Messiah, you've returned.
Yeah, baby. Man, I need 4 grams when I roll my backwood up. Man, your whole click weak, looking like Monday through Sunday. Is your click is weak as fuck. Your chick is weak as fuck. Your blood is skilled as fuck. Your pockets ain't deep enough. I need it 3-4 grams on